Good afternoon, my name is Varinder and I am here to conduct the Priya speaking interview of candidate number 110586. Shall we start now?
Yes.
What is your full name?
My name is Riya.
How may I call you?
You may address me as my name Riya.
What are you studying, Riya?
I am a student. Recently, I have completed my senior secondary education.
Okay, and what's your major?
In arts stream.
Why did you choose that subjects?
I choose that subject because in that field there are ample of opportunities and better education.
What are the advantages of studying instead of working?
Without studying, we can't get a good employment. Education is a fundamental need of every child, so we have to do education first.
Okay. I'll put you some more questions related to laughing. What kind of things make you laugh?
Mostly when I sit together with my family members and talking and joking.
Okay. Do you like making other laugh?
Yes, I like to make other laugh because sometimes they feel under isolation or some other kind of stress. So in order to relieve them in all that things, so I like to laugh at them.
Do you think it is important for people to laugh?
Yes, it is very essential thing to laugh because it is a exercise for good health.
Is laughing the same as feeling happy?
No, laughing is a outer show off, and happiness is the inner feeling.
Okay. Okay, let's talk about perfumes. Do you wear perfume?
Yes, I like to wear perfume. My favorite one is Engage.
Okay. Would you ever give gift as a perfume to someone?
Yes, I give someone like my friend on her birthday.
Okay. And why you prefer to give perfumes only?
I don't prefer just perfumes, but perfume is the because of its good fragrance and it gives others happiness.
Do people in your country often wear perfume?
No, according to one's choice, they can wear perfume. If sometimes people do not like to wear, they like to be a simple person.
Would you ever buy an expensive bottle of perfume?
No, I don't prefer to buy expensive one because that are reasonable in rate who has good fragrance.
Do you think people spend too much money on perfumes?
Some people who can afford the expensive perfumes, so they can easily buy them and they can use it.
Have you ever received perfume as a gift?
Yes, I have. I received the perfume from my closest friend. He gifted me on my 18th birthday.
Do you like to eat sweets after having meal?
Yes, I like to have sweet dish such as chocolates because it is a stress buster for me.
What? Do eating chocolates are harmful to our health?
Chocolates are not harmful for our health, but over intake of it can be detrimental for our health.
Okay, so this is the end of section 1. Now we move to the section 2, which will be your cue card round. I will give you one topic and 1 minute to think and 2 minutes to speak. If you want to make notes, then you can use the notepad. So your topic is number 5. Okay, start.
Well, gifts are the tokens of love, and I usually prefer to buy a gift for someone because it gives them happiness, and it also gives me the inner happiness. Here I would like to talk about an incident when I had to give a gift that took too much time to purchase by me because after my senior secondary education, one of my closest friend, his name is Ramanpreet. So I do not know him about his likes and dislikes too. On his 18th birthday, I was really confused about gift which I had to give, and that can be give him happiness. So when I went to the street market, because that day I went there alone, so it was also the reason that it took too much time to select the gift. So when I at that time I fed up that thing because the gifts were very costlier, and but at last I went to a bag shop. There I saw a violet, and it was looking so beautiful. So I thought to buy it.
Okay, sufficient. So this is the end of section 2. Now we move to the section 3, which will be your follow-up round. I will put you some more questions related to money and gifts. Is money a good gift?
No, money is not the good gift than the things, because by taking things, people can easily can give us good feedbacks, but money is not the same thing about it.
What is the difference between buying the things with a cash and a credit card? What is the difference between buying things with a cash or credit card?
Mostly people prefer credit card because to buy things because sometimes they have to buy expensive gifts, but that time they cannot have enough money so to handle. So at that time they use their credit card.
What are the advantages of buying with a cash?
There are many advantages of buying things with cash, because at that time we can because they are that is more safely, and we can give the money by conversation.
Should people include receipts when they give gift?
Yes, they should receive receipts, because sometimes they have to return the gift, but without receipt they cannot do that thing, because sometimes shopkeepers do not ready to exchange.
Is it common to return gifts in your country?
Yes, it is common to return gifts because sometimes people do not like gifts, and as per their choice they cannot select that things. So when they give other people, they were not fully impressed by it, so they decided to exchange.
What kind of gifts do you like to exchange with your friends?
Mostly I prefer handbags and stationery because they the both things are useful, and it can help them in their journey time.
Do you still remember the day when you got the gift last time? Do you still remember the day when you got a gift last time?
Yes, in August month, on my 18th birthday, I received many gifts by the other people, such as my relatives and friends and family members as well, because that time all were very happy.
Okay, Ria, so this is the end of your speaking session. You have a lovely day. Thank you.